Arg mateys, welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we'll be building a pirate cork raft. I'll show you. Does it really float? Of course. Let's get started.
Alright mateys, in your kit you will find a toothpick for your mast. You will find a foam sheet piece for your sail. You'll find 3 cork pieces for your raft. You'll find 2 rubber bands to hold your corks together. Now what's not in your kit but you will still need are scissors, permanent marker, a cup of dirt, and a bowl of water. So go ahead and grab the items you will need. You can find these at home. Right, first step is to mark your sail. So when we're making our sail, we want to come in about 1.5 inches, and we're going to mark it down all the way to that corner. So go ahead and do that. Now we're going to go from this to 1.5 inches. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to mark it with our cap and go all the way down. And so that's what you want your sail to be. You want it to be inside a little bit on the top and then all the way out to the bottom. Now go ahead and cut that. That's what it should look like, and then we are going to draw our skull and bones in the center. If you don't want to be a pirate ship, you don't have to be a pirate ship. You can be whatever you'd like. You can do a cat, you can do a dog, you can do a fish, whatever you want your sail to show. It also acts like a little flag. So go ahead. I like the skull and crossbones. I'm going to stay a pirate. It was the pirate life for me. Alright. So I'll draw my skull and crossbones. And I'm sure you all are very creative. I'm sure somebody out there is drawing an octopus, squid, or kraken, which I think would be cool. So I've done mine. You can do yours. And then I am going to put my toothpick inside underneath my image all the way to the top of my image. So whatever your image is, poke your toothpick at the bottom, go all the way, and then to the top. So you don't want to ruin your image, you want your image to show very clearly. Okay, we're going to put our sail to the side. We're done with that portion. Now we're going to make the raft. We're going to take our 3 corks and we are going to put the rubber band around all of them. The easiest way is to hold 3 in your hand and then put the rubber band on. And then put 3 in your hand again and rubber band on. And then move the rubber bands to the edge if you can. That would be great. Okay, and now we're going to add the toothpick, which is our mast, to the center cork. Now you want to dig that nice slowly inside all the way. There we go. Now, if you feel like you're pretty much done, this will sail just fine and float. However, if you feel like, oh wow, yeah, that sail is way too big, you can take it off and you can trim it. So that's entirely up to you. Also, another thing that's up to you is if you want to make sure your sail looks kind of dingy and it's seen a few battles, you can take this dirt and you can rub it onto your sail. So I like to just rub it on there. So you can tell on this one I've put some dirt.
Did you know the most successful pirate may have been the Welshman Bartholomew Roberts, who captured about 400 ships